Welcome to
Breaking Bread.
Today we'll be giving you prime examples of endothermic reactions and exothermic reactions along with calories.
An endothermic is a chemical reaction in which a greater amount of energy is required to break the existing bonds of a reactant than is released when the new bonds form in the new product.
An exothermic reaction is a chemical reaction in which more energy is released than is required to break bonds in the initial reaction.
A science calorie is the measurement of amount of heat required to raise the temperature by 1 gram of pure water by 1 degree Celsius.
And that's a little
The big C calorie is the 1 food calorie which equals 1,000 science calories.
Okay, to make cheesecake, you need a bowl, cream cheese, eggs, vanilla, and sugar.
Making the cheesecake undergoes an endothermic and exothermic reaction. So it starts
678 grams of cream cheese. Then add 1 tablespoon of vanilla.
Then you're gonna add.
Then you're gonna add 1 cup of sugar.
And then 4 more eggs. And then you're just gonna mix it all.
Then continue stirring until it turns into a batter. Once you're done making the batter, you pour it into the pie tray. Or
The crust.
the crust.
You can see how he does it so smoothly.
Very nice.
Keep pouring it in.
Wait, not all of it though.
Yeah, don't put all of it as long as it's overflow.
Okay then.
And then as you prepare to make an endothermic reaction.
Now we put it in the oven.
Okay, so we took the batter and then we put it into the crust. And it's baking right now at 325 degrees for approximately 40 minutes. And it's going through an endothermic reaction right now where the batter is absorbing the heat from the...
After 40 minutes, about 40 minutes, take out cheesecake.
The cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
And then just went under an endothermic reaction. Now we're just gonna wait for it to cool down, and it's gonna do its exothermic reaction.
After the exothermic reaction and it's going down, it's now ready to do.
To make popcorn, you need a popsicle tray, a juice liquid, and a freezer. First, take the liquid, pour it into the tray.
So liquid.
We put the tray right here.
And then put it into the freezer. And as you put it in the freezer, it's undergoing
Okay, so the popsicle inside the freezer is experiencing a exothermic reaction. It's going from a liquid and freezing over to solid. So this is the phase diagram for it. The pressure is remaining constant while the temperature is going lower. Okay, so to make a hot pocket, you need a hot pocket and a plate and a microwave. Okay, so now it's ready for the endothermic reaction. You take it and put it in the microwave, and you put it in for 2.5 minutes. Okay, so now it's finished. Just take it out. You just take it out. And Okay, so for one hot pocket, it has about 300 food calories. And so 300 food calories is equal to 300,000 science calories. And one science calorie is equal to 4.184 joules. And so we converted it and we got 1,255,200 joules. And that's equal to 1 times 10 to the 6th power.
Okay, we have two different prime examples of an endothermic and an exothermic reaction among these three foods.
An example of an exothermic reaction is when you place the popsicle tray into the freezer for it to freeze.
Putting a hot pocket into the microwave for an endothermic reaction to take place, and hot pocket to absorb the heat.
An example of an endothermic reaction is when you put the cheesecake in the oven, and the example of an exothermic reaction is when you leave it out for it to cool out.
And that's breaking bread.